Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all my Walgreens haul. I have a total of 4 transactions that I'm going to share with you all, and all of it turned out to be a $20 moneymaker. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is super early, 4 a.m. here, and I'm up like a crazy person trying to get this video recorded, edited, and out to you all ASAP. And really the main goal is to get this done before the kiddos start waking up and making a ton of noise. So I'm going to try to make this as short, sweet, and simple as possible. So first of all, I do want to say thank you to Cassie. She is an amazing Craz-E couponer, and she has been helping me with these Walgreens deals all week. So big shout out and thank you to her. It's because of her that I'm bringing you guys these deals today. So thank you, Cassie. You are awesome. Now, this all started for me on Saturday. I did 2 pickup orders. I posted them in the community tab with the full breakdowns. While I was in the store, I picked up these 2 Olay products right here, and a surprise happened. These were on clearance, plus we have high value digital coupons making this a great deal anyways, but then 2 register rewards printed off for me. A $5 register reward for P&G products, so we have this promotion going all month long for when you spend $15 on P&G products, you're going to get a $5 register reward back. We also have this promotion for Olay for when you purchase one of the Olay it's supposed to be on the premium moisturizers. You're going to get back an $8 coupon for the Olay body wash. So this first deal that we're going to talk about is a glitch. All right. That with that being said, glitches can end at any time. This one has been going on for quite a while. I did find out that people have known about it, and I did not. I'm just now finding out about it. So we're going to run through this really quickly. I know that a lot of you probably already know about this deal, but for those of you who don't, we're going to run through it real quick, all right? Like I said, this is a glitch deal. So, we have the Olay face products. If you're going into the store and you can't find those clearance items with those high-value coupons, here's another way that y'all can do this deal. Pick up one of the Olay face products. These scrubs or cleansers, there's a lot of different ones that y'all can choose from. $8, $9, $10. At my store, these were $9.79, and I paid with Walgreens cash. I got back an $8 register reward for Olay body wash. Whenever picked up a body wash, these specifically are $9.99. You can also pick up these right here. These are on sale for $8. Pick up one of those, use that $8 coupon. You're going to pay a little bit plus tax, or you can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're going to get back an $8 coupon for Olay face moisturizers, okay? I'm going to pop up both of the register rewards on the screen here so that y'all can see what I'm talking about. Now, why I say that this is a glitch is because that $8 register reward for the Olay face moisturizers is not supposed to work on these cleansers. Now, that coupon is also working on the face wipes, and I'm not exactly sure, but I have a feeling that the $8 coupon for the body wash is not supposed to print off when you purchase these products. I believe it's just supposed to be on the more expensive Olay moisturizers. So, with that being said, this is a glitch. It can end at any time. Proceed with caution, all right? So, I have done this deal like this, and then I've also done this deal like this. I'm going to give you all the breakdown for this one right here because I think it's a pretty awesome deal. But either way you want to do it, it's great. Alright, Olay body wash at $9.99. Pick up one of the Olay face cleansers at $9.79. I used an 8 off 1 register reward for the body wash and an 8 off 1 register reward for the face products. Subtotal $19.98. I used $16 in coupons. Paid $3.98 out of pocket, and I got back the $8 register reward for the body wash, $8 register reward for the face product, and a $5 register reward for the P&G Spend 15 promotion. Final price completely free, plus a $1.02 moneymaker. Now, with this being said, Last night, when I was looking around on Instagram and YouTube, I noticed that Michelle from It's My Own Identity, I absolutely love that woman. She is actually how I learned to coupon at Walgreens way back when. So, if you guys are trying to learn Walgreens, she's a really good YouTuber to watch. She's very thorough. Her videos are longer, but you learn a lot in those videos, and it's very well worth it. And she's a very nice lady. I've asked her questions myself before, and she answers them, no issues whatsoever. So, she put out a video last night talking about this Olay deal. Not quite sure if it's a dead deal or not. We're getting kind of hit and miss on the information that's out there. I did this deal yesterday evening without any issues after lunch. I believe it was like 2 o'clock-ish, somewhere around in there. And then Michelle also did the deal, the Olay deal. I think she said at 5:30 or 6 o'clock in her video. I'm going to leave her video linked in the pinned comment, so y'all just go check it out. But either way, it was working for me yesterday, and it also worked for her yesterday. So, again, proceed with caution. Do this deal if you like. If you don't like glitches, that's fine too. I know that there are people out there who do not do glitches, and that's fine. That's totally fine. To each its own, right? So, there was my first deal that I did, and it worked out perfectly. So, we're going to move on to the second deal. And like I said, I'm going to leave Michelle's video in the pinned comment down below if you guys want to go and check that out for more information on this glitch. Alright guys, now here is another transaction that I did, and this was a huge spend deal. Okay, so with this transaction, I had a spend 40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash paper booster. If you don't have a paper booster and you're going into the store to do a spend deal, go ahead and grab you a pack of gum or a bottle of water or something like that. Go ahead and pay for it, and then usually the Catalina machine will spit out one of those paper boosters. Now mine was spend 40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash, and then I also had a digital spend booster on my account for spend 25, get back $7 in Walgreens cash. So 2 really high value boosters. So those 2 will stack, digital and a paper booster will stack, and you'll get back all of that Walgreens cash, all right? So with this transaction, I picked up a total of 4 of the Olay premium body washes. Those are on sale this week for $8 each. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, a 2 off 1 digital coupon, and then I also used that 8 off 1 manufacturer register reward from the Olay face deal, all right? With that deal alone, that just picking up those 4 Olay products, you should receive back an $8 register reward for the Olay face moisturizers, that coupon. You should get back a $5 register reward for the P&G spend promotion for when you spend $15, get back a $5 register reward. And then also these are on promotion this week for when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. Now with that being said, you're not going to get back a $4 register reward for these 2 and a $4 register reward for these 2. You're only going to get back one $4 register reward. If you want to break this deal up and do it in a smaller transaction, you can definitely do that and get back 2 register rewards, but you would have to do it in separate transactions. Alright, then I picked up 2 of the Colgate Total toothpaste. These are $3.99 each. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2, making those completely free. And then I threw in the small spaces. These are on sale for $3.29 this week, and we have a $2.30 off 1 digital coupon. So that got me to my $40 spend total. So here is the written out breakdown. So you guys can screenshot that if you want to. So my subtotal was $43.27. I had $20.30 in coupons. Paid $22.97 out of pocket. You can use $2 in Walgreens cash if you do this exact deal. But then you want to pay the rest out of pocket. You're going to get back the $8 register reward for the Olay face moisturizers, the $8 register reward for the P&G spin deal, the $8 register reward for the Olay premium body wash for when you buy 2, $4 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate deal, $7 in Walgreens cash for the digital booster, and $9 in Walgreens cash for the paper booster. That makes your final price completely free, plus a $15.03 moneymaker. Now, this was pretty much the first time that I have done a big spin deal like this in a while, and I cannot believe that everything worked out perfectly except for that 4 off 2 Olay coupon. That one did not attach, and I do believe that the reason that it didn't, because I picked up 2 of these blue ones and 2 of these purple ones. I think if I would have picked up the same color in all 4, that 4 off 2 coupon would have worked. However, I was working with what I had and what my store had in stock, right? So there is my second deal. All right, guys, now here is a deal that I did on Sunday. This was the first deal that Cassie sent me, and again, thank you, girl, you're awesome. So we have the Dove Body Love body wash. These are on sale for $8 each. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and we also have a 3 off 1 digital coupon. All right, and I think there's also a 4 off 2, but for this deal, my 5 off 3 attached instead of the 4 off 2. All right, so that put my subtotal at $40. Again, I had a paper spin booster for spin 40. Get back $9 in Walgreens cash rewards. And then on my second account, I had a digital spin booster for spin 20. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So with this deal, it is a high out of pocket, but you get back a lot in rewards. If you have that extra paper spin booster, it's going to be completely free, plus a little bit of a moneymaker. So here is the written out breakdown. 4 of the Dove Body Love. Use that 5 off 3 and the 3 off 1. Subtotal $40. I had $8 in coupons. Paid $32 out of pocket because this is a spend deal. But I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for that digital spin booster. $9 in Walgreens cash for the paper spin booster. A $5 register reward for spending $15 on personal care items. Now that is a totally separate deal from the P&G deal. All right, that's a totally separate promotion. Then on Ibotta, we have a $3 rebate back for the Dove Body Love body wash. Gosh, that's so hard to say sometimes. So I got back a total of $15 on Ibotta. That made my final price completely free, plus a $2 moneymaker. All right, so amazing deals. Now we have one more quick transaction with some clearance items. All right, now here is my little clearance transaction. We have the e.l.f. This is some kind of like face moisturizer. These were on clearance for $1.29. We also have the Walgreens nasal spray for allergies, and we are all dealing with allergies right now. So these were on sale, on clearance for $1.09. And then we have the Boost, which was a huge score. These are normally $12.99, but they're on clearance for $1.29. And if you guys can find these, we do have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So if you can pick up 2 of those and use that digital, that'll make it completely free. All right, so you guys definitely be on the lookout for these. And then also make sure that y'all check out the community tab, because I will be posting some more pictures of even more clearance items that I found at Walgreens. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you good luck with your Walgreens deals this week. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. While you're at it, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, let me know how y'all are doing today, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.